In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an email campaign in Hubspot. To do that, first log into your Hubspot account. Once you're in, head over to the Marketing tab and click on Emails. This will open your email dashboard where you can create, manage, and track all your campaigns. Next, click on the Create Email button. You can choose from regular, automated, or blog/RSS emails depending on the type of campaign you want to run. For this tutorial, let's choose a regular email. Once you've selected your email type, choose a template or start from scratch. You can customize the layout, add modules, and include images, buttons, or links as needed. Don't forget to add personalization tokens to make your campaign more engaging. After designing your email, proceed to the settings. Input your subject line, preview text, sender name, and reply to email. You can also configure tracking options to monitor open rates, clicks, and other engagement metrics. Once all the settings are configured, click on Review and Send. You can either send the email immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. HubSpot will automatically handle delivery and tracking for your campaign. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more HubSpot guides, and leave your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.